Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So firstly we have to open the browser obviously, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you'd like to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so you can remove all of them one by one just by tapping on those X buttons. But if you'd like to remove them manually, or if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data here. And as you can see, we've got the basic and advanced sections. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So let me mark everything and change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything, starting with visited websites and ending with, for example, saved passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.